Hi. What you doing? No more eggs.
Another egg.
No more eggs. You're on egg overload.
Do you like eggs?
Where's that doggy? Where's that doggy? Danny, come here.
Where's Danny?
Danny. Come here, Danny. He's like, you're not going to give me anything. Tickle him. Get him to giggle. Hi, Nolan. Joel, tickle him. Hi. Hi, baby Nolan. He's like, where's that dog?
Danny, come here. Come here, Danny.
That's great. And he leaves.
Danny, come here.
All right, Joel, that's enough. That's enough. Julia, no more eggs. You're going to be sick. All right, bye, Nolan.
That's the yucky. That's the shell. You don't want to eat the shell,
Bye-bye.
silly.
Bye-bye.
No, you can't have any more eggs.